Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this beautiful New Year greeting card with these lovely handmade and hand colored flowers, and also the background is beautiful chevron pattern, and inside the card I have added handwritten sentiment. So this time I have decided to make something English shade card. So without any delay, let's get started. For this we need chevron pattern paper cutout, embossing pad, ball tool, groove golf tool, some distress inks, ink applicator tool, blue color flower pearls, scissor, liquid glue, flower making paper and white color thick sheet. First I am taking this white thick sheet which measures 24 by 14.5 centimeters, and I am just folding this card from center. This white sheet is having 300 GSM thickness. Now I am going to do some distress work in the front part. So I am using these two inks which are called Victorian Velvet and Wild Honey. And using foam applicator, I am just applying the ink and blending both the colors. If you don't have distress inks, you can also create a background using watercolors. I have given all the supply links in description box. If you want to purchase it, you can go through those links. So this is done. Now I am just sprinkling some water using my spray bottle here and there, so that we will get the beautiful distress ink effect and we'll get the white splashes. Like this. Now I'm taking this chevron background die cutout. This is ready made, but you can create this background at home also. I have already shown in my stencil video how to create the chevron pattern stencil. So I have given link of that video in description box. You can check there if you want to create the background. This die is from Dress My Craft. If you have the die, you can directly die cut out and paste it like this. So the base of the card is ready. Now inside the card I am writing New Year sentiment. This new year is gonna be super happy and wonderful and absolutely awesome. Now I'm just decorating all four corners using colored sketch pens. Then I'm going to start with flower making. So I'm taking this 4 centimeter diameter paper circle. This paper is having 120 GSM thickness. I'm dividing this circle in 8 equal parts, and on each part I will create a petal. Like this. And now to create leaf, I am taking one small piece and just shaping it like a leaf. Now I'm just sprinkling some water before coloring, because this time I'm using distress ink, and distress inks are not waterproof, so we have to wet our flower and leaf before coloring. For the flower I am using same Victorian velvet, and for the leaf I am using green color shade. Then using my embossing pad and small size groove golf tool and shaping my flower. Also using the ball tool to pinch the center. In the same way I have created 2 more, and also I am shaping the leaf as well. Now I am joining all 3 layers to create my flower. For the center of the flower I am using these blue color flower frills from Crafters Emporio. So I am just sprinkling some frills in the center, and the gorgeous flower is ready. In the same way we need total 4 flowers and some leaves. Now take back your card base. Here I am adding the sentiment special greeting in the right corner, and adding this cute bow which is made using organza white ribbon. And then I will start adding my flowers and leaves. Like this. Then I am taking some small sequences and decorating the card. In the same way, I have decorated the card from inside by adding some sequences. So the beautiful greeting card is ready. I'm sure you will try this very soon. My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.